this experience has been at 100 out of 100, and I'm eu já abençoe.
Cabo Verde, sabe entender na sangue, entender na coração. O pulso bonito da brinca, sabe tá tremendo coração. Cabo Verde, sabe entender na sangue, entender na coração. O pulso bonito da brinca, sabe tá tremendo coração. Rachel pode gerar assim.
This is nice. He said we're gonna have a wedding over here. Yes. I'm gonna go explore Mindel. She's beautiful.
Let's take on the beat.
My ambassador's church hat just flew out the bowl. Wasn't even mine. I owe my tia ambassador's church hat because now it's history. Feels like Martha's Vineyard. Martha's Vineyard.
Before we get too far into this video, I just wanted to come here and say a little bit about this mission trip. This mission trip is part of the ministry called VIDA, which stands for Voz Informativa do Amor. In English, it translates to Informative Voice of Love. I'll try to find that website and link it down below for you guys if you guys want more information. Coming here, I didn't really have any expectations. I just knew that the mission was to spread the gospel, to preach the gospel, and to just serve the community of these islands. For those of you that don't know me, I do have a podcast where I preach the gospel in Creole to the community in Cabo Verde. So somebody mentioned this opportunity to me to preach the gospel in person, and I felt called to be part of it, and thanks to my community and my church, I was able to fundraise to be here. I am Cape Verdean, but I'm not from this island, so this was my very first time in this island and the other island that we were there first. You can go back and see part 1, but it's San Vicente, and the current island we're on right now is Santo Antão. There's also other leaders in this group from Cabo Verde that want to preach, serve, and spread the gospel with us, and this is not their first time.
That's what I like. That's what I like. That's what I like. I want to see all the green.
They do this every year throughout all the islands of Cabo Verde. This was my first, but definitely not my last. I personally was absolutely in awe of this island. I've heard of it, I've seen it in videos and on social media, but seeing it in person is just wow, like wow. This is definitely a place you have to visit. And if you have the opportunity to spread the gospel, please do. These people are always open to hearing the word of God. And that's what we came here to do. That was the mission. That was the main focus for this trip. And I will say, if you keep watching, you will see how exciting and how much joy everyone who preached the gospel, who served the community, and the people receiving the word were so happy with us and so happy to be there, just there listening. And my expectations just flew out the window the minute I stepped on this island, I guess. And I don't know, it was just an amazing time, an unforgettable time. And I'm just grateful that the Lord has blessed me with this ability to be here. I'm just grateful I went here, and it's unforgettable. There's nothing about this place that I will forget, and thanks to these videos, it's just gonna be here in my memory forever.
Muito obrigada. Oh, this is a pool. We love a pool.
Drinking water.
Is what?
Drinking water.
No way.
Purified just for us.
Wow. Wow, I love it. Parte bonito. Yo vine aquí. Tia, ellos están a relax. It feels so good. Já entra na only também. Let's see how, if I can do this. Le pedi a Zelinha que só. All right, guys, I'm about to give you guys a room tour where we're staying, me and my auntie. So first of all, the pool is over there. This is the outside area. Then you come in. This is our bedroom. Yeah. Our closet, nos guarda-fato. Guarda-fato bonito próprio. Bom, Cabo Verde tem uns amar guarda-fato que está mais melhor que back. Now let's see the bathroom. Wow, bathroom ali last. Nice little bathroom. I like the wooden stuff. Okay, I like the aesthetic. Nice and clean. This is a shower. Very cutesy, very mindful. I don't know what this door goes to. But yeah, this is it. This is the room tour. This is the outside view. Bye. Say bye. Nossa primeira missão vai começar hoje. We're going to two locations.